Let's play with some stencils. So, I have some pearlescent white dust on my stencil. That's really interesting. Gonna press it into the... Ooh. Ah, this is beautiful. So this means we're gonna have to start with something dark. That way we can see the pearlescent white. This was Deep Violet by Liquitex, and this is the Quinacridone Magenta. Both beautiful colors. I like making this short brush stroke as opposed to roll it out with big roller, because it makes it much more interesting, especially if I go for the grunge effect. I have too much paint here. I will take off the excess. Otherwise, the paper will wrinkle. Alright, let's play with stencils on top of what I have below. I will press it into the paint. At the same time, this roller will take excess paint from these openings, and there will be an interesting outline. Ooh la la. Oh, let's do something else on this other half. I have some cardboard here, and I'm gonna press it like this. Okay, and now let's take it off with some Japanese bargain paper. Normally I would use tissue paper, wet strength tissue paper, but I am out. So this will be our first print. Pressing very well. The more paint, the longer time it takes to set. If it's just a thin layer, you can pull it right away. But I can see it's a little wet, so let's wait a little bit. If I press the edges, that will help to pick up the paint that tends to accumulate. Alright. So, I have a print here. And that's a good beginning for something that will come later. You can't see it on the camera, but I can see that pearlescent white dust that came with the stencil, and that this is the beauty of jelly printing. That's because you never know what will happen. I have some permanent citron yellow by Amsterdam, and this one is delightful. I think I'll save it for later. I want to put some color in. So I have a piece of scrap paper here. With that, I will cover this, which I like to keep, that flower there, and I will apply paint only on this house. And at this point, I'm going for it. I still don't know what I'm gonna do. I love jelly printing. I like to let myself go intuitively. So now I'm applying the paint to the edges here. It's gonna make some nice effect. I'm gonna kind of push it up. Again, I have some excess paint here. All right, what are we gonna do? I think I wanna put some circles on it. Nice imprint. Ooh. And that will make the print semi-see-through. That way we will get to see the final color. I would like to take off some more of the paint. And for that I will use one of my other stencils. Maybe this one. And I will dab off a little bit, just gently. So I have two stencils on top of each other, or actually it was one mask. You guys see it? Okay, what's the next? So this is the first print. I'm gonna put it right here. Add it a little bit grunge, not much. Another option would be wait and wait and wait until this dries, but we are recording. So I'm gonna use this lemon yellow to pick it up, but I would like to spice it up somehow. So maybe I add some gold on it, just a little bit, just to do something different, something crazy. We don't know how it's gonna come out. Who cares? So long we're having fun. I'm having fun. Are you having fun? I sure hope so. Alright. What did we got here? Ooh. Ooh. You guys see it? I'm gonna take the excess paint off with this tissue paper. So now I have gold on two prints. On this one and this one. Now, if I put another paint on top of it now, it will smear out the gold. At the same time, it could give me some beautiful effects. I could also put it on here. Ooh. It will add a little bit more interest to the print. I don't know where we are going with this, and that's fine. Okay, and I'm gonna print on the sheet music. At this point I could do some more stencil. Are gonna be just a little bit, think I see it, just a little bit interest. Mistletoe and holly. Oh, let's go for it. Alright, pressing good. And at this point I can't wait to turn it over and look at it from the other side. Ooh, nice crunch. See? So, pressing hard, and I'm feeling with my hands. It feels cold and wet, and that means that if I pull it off now, half of it will stay on the plate and I will have beautiful crunch. But maybe I won't have to have a beautiful print. So it is worth waiting. Let it snow, let it snow, let it snow. Oh, it's 27th of June. So I can see it's coming off. I have a little bit left on the plate, which is fine. Now, if I can see that the print will be beautiful and worth saving, and if I pull it and I see a piece of paint still stuck to the plate, like here, I don't mind, but if it was something more where I see the white coming through, I grab my gel medium and I dab it on it, boom, and I put it back on and let it dry, and that will peel off the paint. I have to do it while the edge is still glued, otherwise it will come out of alignment. Beautiful. All right. I can barely see the title of the Christmas song, so I don't find it disturbing that it is a Christmas song in June. So what do we have here?